Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Tuesday morning. It's I don't even know what time is it. Wala tayong relos. But it's early. Well, almost lunch actually. I believe we're closer to 11 than what it is. We're gonna do our next attempt to go to that office. Sa post office na naman tayo pupunta. Dahil last week hindi natin nakuha yung mail. So siguro saksakan na ng dami yung mail natin yan. But anyway, today was expected to have like 95% chance of rain all day. Dapat kaninang madaling araw pa. But as you guys can see, it's dry. Nakakatakot lang i-risk na mag-ride ng malayo. Kasi alam mo yung feeling mo, alam mo yung feeling na aabutan ka ng ulan anywhere ka pumunta. You know, sobrang dilim dun sa side na yan sa south. So wala, today nag-decide tayo na pilitin mag-vlog para meron lang tayong content. Dahil we're trying to do this at least weekly. So samahan nyo ako sandali sa post office. Kuha tayo ng mail. And then babalik na tayo ulit. Ngayon naman, wala akong ini-expect na holiday. So dapat bukas ang post office. Yun, I can see the main gate open para dun sa mga delivery truck nila. I don't know if you guys can see that. Sobrang dilim, overcast dun sa south side, which is dun sa work natin. Yun, reflection hits baby. Alright, so let's try to go inside and see kung makakuha tayo ng mail. We'll be back guys. What's up boss, how are you? I just need to pick up mail. Hoping that the new keys are in too.
It's a key order?
That and my mail as well.
He has Dorchester Heights.
Dorchester, yeah. It's ready?
Yeah.
Sick. Thank you.
So your carrier or Zoom mail starting tomorrow?
Oh, they're gonna start sending it there?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. I appreciate it, guys.
Have a good one.
Yep. Not bad, not bad. We got this much mail. And we have the key. Yeah, boy. Alright, so we finally got the mail. Ganyan lang karami. Not bad for 1 week, I guess. And this, we got the keys for the mailbox. So, we don't have to do this anymore. I don't know if you guys remember. Noong last time na ginamit natin si Bieber dito sa post office, nagpagawa tayo ng susi. Yung nagbe-vent out ako kasi parang na rude tayo ng customer service. Pero today, they are very nice and very friendly. Baka pinanood nila yung vlog natin last week. I doubt it. But anyway, we're going home. Mission accomplished. Let's look at the reflection hits na super pogi na si Justin Bieber. Vespa 150 bro. Alright, let's go. Tama na yung kaartihan na yan. Yun. Oy, walang bawaan dito. Delikado. Meron. So in the past couple of days, we've been watching YouTube. Well, lagi naman tayo nanonood ng YouTube. It's the time of the year, guys. I don't know if you guys notice. Naglalabasan na naman yung mga bagong action cameras. May bagong bundle na lumabas sa Insta360. May mga kasamang lenses. Which is yun yung part na super interested ako actually. Gusto ko masubukan yung mga lenses ng 360 kasi naka 360 na tayo. And then this morning, officially nirelease na rin sa US and Europe yung bagong DJI Osmo Action 6. Tinanggal na nila yung Pro. Action 6 na lang ang tawag sa kanya. Ayos din. Every year talaga may bagong lumalabas. And it's just, well, sinasabi ko sa sarili ko na I'm not gonna buy, I'm not gonna fall into that. Wala naman akong complain or regret sa Ace Pro 2 natin. As in, super solid siya. Thanks again DJ DLS kasi siya yung unang nag-Ace Pro. And dati kasi GoPro user tayo eh. As in, literal. For us, yun yung OG. Yun yung the best. They fell behind versus DJI and the Insta360 line of cameras and action cameras. And no regrets. I'm happy that I transferred over sa Insta360. Obviously, meron din tayong 360 camera from Insta360. The gas is real, man. Gear acquisition syndrome. In 2025, it's still real. I mean, yun naman ang purpose nun eh. Every year, kailangan talaga nag-update sila, nag-add sila ng mga bagong features, tsaka mas gumaganda yung equipment to sell it to us. So far, wala naman tayong interest of purchasing any new camera. Pero if there is anything that really interests me is yung lens nga. Gusto ko talagang kumuha ng lens para matesting natin yung wide angle na nilabas ng Insta360. Actually, yung ano niya, yung naglabas din sila ng bagong Explorer Pro na kit. That's nice too, pero kakabili lang natin nung version 1 tapos may bago na naman lumabas. But anyway, like I said, I'm not planning on purchasing anything other than that lens para masubukan natin sa camera na to. And then we'll go from there. But if we do get it, kasi hindi pa siya available eh. Ngayon kasi mautak yung Insta360 that for you to be able to get the lens, kailangan bili mo yung combo package nila which is $740. That's a lot. And I don't need a third camera. I think. Yeah, I don't need a third camera. So yung attachment lang. Pero who knows kung kailan lalabas yung attachment, kung kailan siya pwedeng ma-order. Alright, so that's our short vlog for today. We'll see you guys on the next video. Hopefully, wala nang ulan. Nakakuha ako ng text message galing kay Omar TV. Bumuhos na raw dun sa trabaho. I think that's it for us. If anything, we'll see you guys next week. O nga pala, belated happy birthday kay Pogi World. November 14 was his birthday. So, pakigreet na lang siya. Alright guys, thank you. We'll see you guys on the next video. God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace.